What is up, guys? I am out motovlogging. It's motovlog day because I'm out motovlogging because it is 63 degrees right now. 63 degrees. Can you believe that? There's actually a convertible up here in front of me that's got their top down that gave me a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm just leaving the gym, but I knew I had to bring the camera along because it is beautiful. I could be wearing no coats, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry, right? Especially with my front tire. So right now I'm kind of just riding. I have no idea where I'm going. I know the direction I'm headed in, but I don't know where I'm going. So we're gonna just find that out together. A few things that I did want to mention. It's been nice these past 2 days, but I haven't filmed because mainly my brother has started to get back into YouTube again, and I've been filming vlogs with him, and let me tell you, there is some quality, and I mean quality content on that channel. So if you want to see some vlogging, go to Rocky Mountain Vloggers. And it's not up yet, but we may or may not have filmed a drive-by, but you know, not a drive-by like, you know, not that drive-by, like a flyby. It's a flyby, okay? Not a drive-by, a flyby. God, I'm trying to get arrested. A flyby. I'll put a little bit of that clip in here, and you'll have to go to that channel to see the rest of it. Or I'm gonna probably post it all over my social medias because it's fucking sick. It was so much fun. I'm glad I finally got out to get out and make one. We also in that vlog we went to the arcade. That was some quality ass content. All right, we're just entering Littleton. Yeah, it's gorgeous out here. So I'm gonna ride a little bit and vlog when I think of something to say, so you guys don't have to watch me sit here in silence. Thinking about it, I wasn't filming, of course. I regret it. I was telling my brother how much I regret it. I had a Subaru be an asshole in traffic. I was like, all right, bitch, like, let's go. Like, come on, you want to be an asshole? Let's go. So I like turned around and said, you know, I was like, come here, motherfucker, you know, like a Mortal Kombat Scorpion type shit, you know what I'm saying? I did that, and I wasn't filming. I absolutely, let me tell you, I absolutely was smoking, ooh, big asshole. I was smoking that Subaru pack. There is motorcycles everywhere. There's one over there. There's another one. There's another one. There's 2 more, 3 more. Yeah, it is gorgeous. It almost feels like spring, even though it's gonna snow for the next 3 days. It almost feels like spring. And actually right here, I've been in this place, Ace's Motorcycle. I actually got to sit on a Ninja H2 there. And let me tell you, the fuckers are slick, man. Them H2s are slick. I got to sit on a Hayabusa and an H2. I'm a little small for a Hayabusa. My friend fits perfectly, kinda. But I'm just... And actually, weirdly enough, that H2 was way heavier than a Hayabusa. And Hayabusas are known for like being one of like the biggest sport bikes you can buy. So it was crazy to feel how heavy that shit is, because I thought my bike was heavy. Like, this motherfucker is heavy. Like, it's insanely heavy. Like, there's no way I can explain heavy, but motherfucker, this shit feels like a Goldwing. It doesn't, but I can pretend that it does. It's heavy, I'll just say that. You know, another thing I seen at the gym, I parked right next to a 90-something Miata. Oh my god, that's my dream car. It's my dream car. I want one so fucking bad. These dudes in this black car right here just added me on Snapchat. If you've seen in that last clip, they pulled up next to me and I wondered what they were doing. And I just got a Snapchat notification saying that he added me. That's sick. The helmet sticker works, kinda. Ooh, that was scary. You think I could beat this train in a race? You think I could beat him in a race? 1, 2, 3, go! Just kidding, my exit's right here. Coming off this off-ramp right here, I almost just fucking smacked a goose. I almost just made goose stew. That goose, that poor thing almost got fucking annihilated. Didn't set off the red light. Had to get off and go hit the button. There it goes. Finally. God, I hate that shit. Ooh, it looks like there's a snowbank in the middle of the road. Do you think that would literally end my life if I hit it? Probably. Let's not hit that snowbank. My old high school. The money I would pay to be young again. Well, I mean, I am young, but high school young, you know what I mean? Ah, life. But hey, if I was in high school, I couldn't have one of these, you know? No stop, no foot challenge. I did it. I didn't put my feet down, I promise. Today is in like an open helmet day. I've had my helmet open most of this time. With a brand new bitch in the back of the club with the God Boy click. Iced out teeth on an iced out whip with the limousine tints. You can suck my dick. I'm gonna get copyright. Look, it's downtown Inglewood. It's a little bit different from downtown Golden. I'm always in downtown Golden. Now I'm in downtown Inglewood. I kind of want a Gatorade. Should I pull over somewhere and get a Gatorade? Another kid just waved at me. I swear kids love this more than adults do. I swear. I swear on it. We're gonna go this way. My brother's actually down here working somewhere. Omega lol. Sucks to suck. When I'm down here, I can't not go by my old house, right? Wow. Wow. That's nice. Whew. This is the longest I've ridden in a while, and let me tell you, I can tell. Holy. Sport bikes and jeans, man, they don't mix if you're a fucking dude, let me tell you. Another thing I was gonna say, I got GoPro footage of me doing those flybys, and for some reason, I don't know why, maybe somebody will be able to explain it to me, but I don't know. It seems like it's happened to me twice now. Every time I plug in an SD card to my iPhone, like I use the dongle, all of the footage on that SD card gets erased forever. And luckily I didn't have like anything I needed on there. Like, yeah, it's a bummer. I already gave my brother the footage though. That's what we needed, my brother the footage. So there's another bike. So it's not too bad, but it's you know, it still sucks. It fucking sucks. I don't know why. It doesn't do it with my iPad, only my iPhone. My bike is always really loud right here. Nice Corvette. And now we're back on the fun roads, the fast stuff. Nah, I gotta chill out. I gotta chill out. I wish there wasn't traffic in front of me, because then I would drop a gear and disappear. Man, it feels good though to be just out and not be like freezing my ass off. My hands are fine. It's so fucking nice, man. It's so nice. Just cruising at 100 miles an hour. Or 120. Now this is kind of sandy. Not SpongeBob. Ooh. Can we do it? Oh. Light little turns. Light little turns. Right there we go. Maybe a mini lean right here. Yeah, little trail braking into another little lean. I cannot wait till I have a fresh set of rubber on here, boys. It looks like there's a Camaro next to me, or an Audi, I can't tell. Well, he's gone. I think he got off. Alright. Well, I think that was 100 and something. I have to stop. I have to stop. Woo! We're back. We're back where I'm usually at. That was a really, really, really good ride. I'm not done, obviously, but it's nice to be back up here. Less city traffic, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. Oh my God, I am sore as shit though. I'm gonna have to step off this motherfucker. The benefits are having a backpack. I'm literally laying down. Can you tell I'm laying down? This backpack is so big and bulky, I can just lay on it like a pillow. I'm literally just chilling on a pillow. It's nice when you have to sit at stoplights like this. I could almost fall asleep. Just kidding. Finally. My legs are starting to hurt. My ass is on fire. Not a perfect person. Isn't my voice angelic as fuck? Nothing things I wish I didn't do. Any you learning. Never meant to do those things to you. And I have to say before I go, here it comes. I just want you to know I found a reason for me. Oh yeah, you'd like a high note? Who I used to be. Reason to start over new. And the reason is you. Oh yeah, baby. Holy shit, it is fucking packed. Jesus Lord, it's packed as fuck. Damn, it's a Sunday. I think all the bars are closed. Isn't that how that works? Or maybe they're closed at, I don't know. I don't go to many bars. I've been to 2 bars in my life. And all the times I was underage. I didn't sneak in though. They put X's on my hands, you know? Give those kids a little rev. Dude, kids love this thing. More than the adults. I will not ever understand that. I don't think I ever will. Literally. Little do they know I'm jamming out to Hoobastank in here. I'm on this mean sounding bike and I'm jamming to Hoobastank. Oh shit. Dude, it is so busy down here. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm close to my house, so I'm gonna take my backpack home and probably come out and film some more. But this backpack is just heavy as fuck and it's enormous. It's got all my gym shit in it. So I think we should come back out. I'm gonna go home, check my gas level, and come out some more. All right, guys, I just ran to McDonald's. I'm trying something new. I'm trying something called Mini Moto Vlog or Mini Moto Vlog Monday. So I'll see how that goes on TikTok. I've got like almost 1,600 followers on TikTok. So, you know, go follow my TikTok. It's in the outro. But yeah, I'm just gonna head home, watch a little bit of the NASCAR race. I don't really care about NASCAR, but you know, it's on. There's no football today, so I'm just gonna go cry myself to sleep. But yeah, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later!